And my name is a Spiphone A10 Pro, and today I will show you how to set up the Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you want to open up Settings, and from Settings go into Sound and Notification. Now let's go down and you will find Interruptions right here. And you have the Interruptions Event and Reminder, so Priority Interruptions, that's basically what allows you to bypass the Do Not Disturb mode, so you can just select for calls. And for instance, then you have another option where you can select from who the calls can reach you. So you have anyone, shared contacts, which are basically favorite, and just contacts overall. So anybody who's in your contacts. You can also do the same thing for messages if you select it. And from here you can basically select, for instance, from shared, and now only those basically favorite contacts will be able to reach you while you have this mode on. And then we'll go to the bottom and you'll have the downtime. So you select what days you want it to be in effect in. So for instance, I'm going to select a work profile in a way and select Monday through Friday. Let's click on done and then start and end time. So I want it to start at 8. So let's go to 8 and then just select it to PM. This is like so, and keep it like this. Might be a little bit excessive to 7 PM, but whatever. And then you have the interruption allowed, and you can select none or priority only, which will then be whatever you have selected right here. But you can also select from none. And now basically Monday through Friday at 8 AM it will turn on and then turn off at 7 PM. And yeah, it will be automatic. So that is how you would set up the Do Not Disturb mode, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.